Trick or treat, travelers! In honor of Halloween, we're traveling to the caves, tree hollows, and houses that our next animal calls home. We're talking about the vampire bat. Bats are unique, being the only mammal that flies. Now, a bat's wings contain the same bones as a human hand. In fact, a bat's wings are its hands. Vampire bats have an even more interesting distinction, being the only animal that wants to suck your blood. Well, not your blood. Vampire bats are highly social animals, with one dominant male protecting all the females. They have a number of cooperative behaviors, such as social grooming and food sharing. They typically gather in colonies of up to 100 animals, but sometimes live in groups of up to 1,000 or more. In 1 year, a colony of 100 bats can drink the blood of up to 25 cows. No. Vampire bats are nocturnal, meaning that they hunt at night and sleep during the day. As you may know, vampire bats sleep upside down. Their wings wrap around them while they rest. It's like having a built-in blanket. This is really comfortable. Vampire bats are small, only being about 3 inches, which is roughly the size of a crayon. And this crayon is brown just like a vampire bat. Vampire bats can live to be about 9 years old. They're round-bodied bats with pointy ears and pig-like noses. So ugly they're kind of cute. Kind of. But unlike most bats, vampire bats can walk on all 4s. And it's in this manner that they approach their sleeping prey, which is usually sleeping cows or horses. But don't worry, the amount of blood they take is usually pretty harmless to large animals. It's rare that a vampire bat would bite a human, so there's no need to wear a scarf. The bat uses its razor-sharp teeth to make a neat incision, usually without waking the sleeping victim. Its saliva contains anticoagulants, which allows the wound to bleed for several hours. Maybe I'll put that scarf back on. Now, you ever hear the phrase, as blind as a bat? Well, vampire bats aren't blind, and most have better night vision than day vision. They see in black, white, and shades of gray. The vampire bat is commonly found in Central America, Mexico, and South America. Not all bats drink blood. In fact, 70% of bats eat insects, contributing a large part to natural pest control. There's also fruit-eating bats and nectar-eating bats, which are far more common than the vampire bat. Blah, blah, blah. Currently, the IUCN considers the vampire bat of least concern. There's really no reason to fear bats. We actually really need bats. Bats are responsible for pollinating trees, plants, and cacti. They spread seeds so plants grow in new areas. Thanks for checking us out this week, travelers. Tell us your favorite fact about vampire bats in the comments below. If you want to learn where you can find an imposter vampire bat, or learn more about other bat species, check out travstravels.org and follow us on Twitter at Travs Travels. If there's any other animals you want to learn more about, email us at asktravstravels@gmail.com. And lastly, if you like learning about animals with me, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep traveling, and have a very spooky Halloween. I had a stutter.